Hey, welcome to Lakeshore RV Center. I've got your Montana High Country 372 rear den fifth wheel here. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Up front, you got a molded fiberglass front cap with LED lights built in, a mirror to look down into the bed of the truck to hook up to your Rotaflex pin box. It's going to tilt and pivot back and forth to take away some of the herky-jerky as you're towing it down the road. Inside your front compartment here, we're going to have your 50 amp service cable, a blue coil hose. I'll show you where that goes in a second. Got a 12 volt battery installed for you. Auto leveling system is going to be right here for you. It's going to have the panel for operating it. Inside the compartment where one of your two 30-pound propane tanks are will be some instructions on how to use that system. I'm going to go ahead and send you a second video on how to operate that, as well as a troubleshooting video as well. Nice, big, huge pass-through storage. A motion sensor LED light found us in the hookup bay. So here we're going to have the hot and cold water shower for that blue coil hose, winterization systems, and a water bypass for your water heater. You're also going to have a connection for filling up your onboard holding tanks for fresh water, as well as city pressurized water. You're just going to flip a switch right there on which way you want it to go. You also have a sewage flush system there to get rid of all the ickies in the black tank. Pull valves for your gray and black tanks to release those. Low point drain valves for your hot and cold water. Quick battery disconnect to help keep the battery from being drained so fast from the systems on your unit. And a key TV system for cable and satellite hookup. I'll send you another additional video in regards to that. You have a little black puck at the bottom. You're going to unscrew that, and that's going to let you bring your utilities up and in to that compartment. You've got the outlet for your furnace and your water heater, all 12 gallons of it. Down low, you're going to have the output for the gray and black. Two of them. Huge storage compartments on this unit. And there is the spot for your 50 amp service cable to be hooked up to the unit. We'll also give you an electrical adapter to drop it down to 30. Roof ladder mounted to access your fully serviceable walkable roof. And you're also going to have your backup camera prep there. Big, huge pass-through storage here. It's going to have the pull-out tray. There's a little blue handle. You're going to lift that up and pull this back. Think we got room for everything? I think so. Let's check out the other side of the unit as well. One of your slide-out boxes here. Giant power awning with LED lights built in. Take a walk up into your new Montana High Country. Got a little detector there for CO2 and propane. We're also going to have your central vacuum system. Some motion sensor LED lights that you knew I was on, or here, so it already turned on. Fuse panel and breaker box there for you, so that way if you have any electrical issues, I'd start there. It's a great place to easily troubleshoot any issues you may run across. Nice storage compartment here. And then this first cabinet when we walk in is going to have some of the business end. So first we're going to have fresh gray black water holding tank, 12 volt blankets to keep them toasty when it's chilly. Big gray button here is going to be for your ceiling fan. That will operate on 12 volts. We also have a check station to see how full the battery is, the water tanks, gray, black. You also have a water pump. So if you're using your onboard freshwater holding tanks, you're going to want to turn that pump on. If you're using city pressurized water, you're going to leave that turned off. Gas and electric for heating elements on your water heater, and then a ton of lights that are all on for your interior. You have 4 individual slide box and your power awning switch. Solid surface countertops, of course. Here when we walk in, you got a couple more light fixtures. A thermostat for your rear AC and furnace. And the controls for your fantastic fan, which is right there. Got utility outlets hiding everywhere. The light fixtures, a lot of them are going to have a little button, so you can individually operate those as well. You do have an RV gas electric refrigerator on this 372. Nice big 4-door compartment. I'm going to send you a little video on having and owning an RV fridge and how it's a little different from the one we have at home. 4 individual chairs for your dinette. Pull down blinds. Residential 30-inch microwave. We have a 3-burner cooktop. We're going to go ahead and fold this panel over once and one more time. It's going to give you a little backsplash for access to your 3-burner cooktop. Some LED backlights on your dials and a nice big oven underneath. Some great storage. Garbage can for you. And way in the back, don't want you to miss it, there are the countertop covers for your 70-30 split stainless steel sink. And I also found the keys to your castle right there for you. Let's go upstairs and take a look at the rest of your beautiful rig. 2 hide-a-bed sofas. Electric fireplace. It's going to have a couple different control settings on it. We'll have being able to change the color of the flame, change the temperature setting, put a timer on it. CD DVD player with some Bluetooth and HDMI hookups. Good storage above the cabinet. And you do have power recliners with a USB port built in. Now the AC up here is hidden. It is the whisper quiet, so you won't have to look at it. Up into the master bathroom. Beautiful, huge double sink countertop. Lots of storage. Another fantastic fan in here for you. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Nice large shower. You do have a beautiful 3-panel glass door on your shower, so please make sure that latch is attached before you head off on your travels. 3-door linen. There is a door stopper there that is also magnetic. And there are the controls for your fantastic fan here in the bathroom. King-size bed in your master bedroom. You also have another thermostat for the AC that is in here. We also have in the closet, it has been prepped for a washer and dryer if you ever decide to use one. And then let's open up your front wardrobe. This door is going to continuously slide all the way over to give you access, and the motion sensor light kicked on when it saw us coming. Up in the ceiling here, we're going to have the prep for the Wi-Fi and prep for cable satellite and a place to mount your TV. Lift up the bed here. We've got some great storage underneath, as well as the hoses for your central vacuum system. That right there is your new Montana High Country 372 rear den fifth wheel. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Give me a call. April Welch at 231-638-7750. Look forward to seeing you soon.